guys, welcome back to my channel ICSE Fun. So today we are going to continue the chapter 3 of class 10 geography, chapter climate. Last day we have discussed about the factors affecting the climate and the Indian climate. For your kind information, I want to say you that as this chapter is much bigger, so it will be completed within 4 parts. This is the second part. On the third part, we'll learn about the seasons that we observed on India, and the last part about the rainfall. So without being late, let us start the video. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and share it to your friends so that they can also get information about all this. So let's start it. So let me once do the recap what we have did it last day. So last day we have read about climate and weather. Climate is the sum of the total weather condition, and weather refers to the state of atmosphere in a given area at a given time. But what is the difference? Main difference in weather, the area must be small, and climate can occur in a large area. Now, India has a tropical monsoon type of climate. It is also important, which we have read last day. We have read what are the things that influence the climate of India. First of all, we have read about Tropic of Cancer, then the Great Himalayan. So, in Tropic of Cancer, we have read the upper part of the Tropic of Cancer. The north part of Tropic of Cancer is known as North Temperate Zone, and the south is known as South Tropical Zone. Next, we have read about the extent of India, the distance covered by India from north to south, the climate of India, it is tropical monsoon type. We have read temperature condition of India, like in summer it is very hot, in cold during in winter, in the north of tropical cancer means it has a continental type of climate. The temperate zone, not temperate zone, has a continental type of climate. And what is the meaning of continental type of climate? There will be very hot during summer and very cold during winter. That we have read. We have given one example, like in Rajasthan during summer it is 50 degrees centigrade, and at Kargil and Dras in during winter it is minus 40 degrees centigrade. We have read this. And then we have read about the annual rainfall of different place in India. We have read about the factors affecting the temperature, like location. Tropic of Cancer, as I have said before, Tropic of Cancer also affect the temperature. We read about the influence of the Himalayas. What does Himalaya influence to? What is his influence? What is his hand on observe on affecting the climate of India? That we have read. We have read the influence of water bodies such as Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and Indian Ocean. Now, today we will read about impact of the monsoon wind. So, what is the impact of the monsoon winds on India? During summer, due to differential heating of land and sea, the southeast trade winds cross the equator, and in accordance with Farrell's law, you must have read this law at class 9, deflect to the right to enter India as southwest monsoon winds. These winds bring heavy rain to most parts of India from June to September. So it basically it is saying uh, that southeast monsoon wind, when it cross trade winds, southeast trade wind, when it cross the equator, it deflect to their right and enters India as southwest monsoon wind, and this monsoon wind bring heavy rainfall to India from June to September. Now, during winter, due to change in temperature, atmospheric pressure conditions are altered, causing the monsoons to retreat. These are known as the northeast monsoon wind. They are dry, they hardly bring any rainfall to most parts of India. However, when these winds pick up the moisture from the Bay of Bengal, they cause rain along the coastal parts of Tamil Nadu and southern Andhra Pradesh. So it is saying that there is one more monsoon wind, northeast monsoon wind, which does not bring any rainfall to India. They are very much dry, and but if in case if they absorb the moisture from Bay of Bengal, then they can bring rain along the coastal parts of Tamil Nadu and southern Andhra Pradesh. Only in the southern Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu they will bring rainfall. Now, next point, presence of other relief features. So, what are the factors of other relief features that are present on India? So, let us read this point also. Now, we'll read about the presence of other relief features. So, as you can see, the windward on the western slopes of the Western Ghats get heavy rainfall because they intersect the southwest monsoon winds from the Arabian Sea. So the windward means this is India, this is the Western Ghats. So when from the Arabian Sea, the southwest monsoon, you can say, sorry, this is India. From Arabian Sea, the southwest monsoon winds are coming towards the Western Ghat, and it is getting rain due heavy rainfall because they intercept the southwest. Means the southwest monsoon wind is intercepting with this, so they are getting heavy rainfall. This part, Western Ghat. Now, vast areas of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu lie on the right side or leeward slope of the Western Ghat and receive scanty rainfall. Leeward side. Now, what is the leeward side? Suppose it is a mountain and some winds are coming this side like this. So, this side of the mountain is getting heavy rainfall, but it is also deflecting back the wind, so this side of the mountain is not getting any rainfall. This side of the mountain is known as leeward side. So what is this known as leeward side? So in Western Ghat also this side is leeward side. This leeward side, this leeward side is not getting any rainfall. And which states of India they are on the leeward side of Western Ghat? There is Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, which are present on the rain side region or leeward slope of the Western Ghats, receive scanty rainfall. Scanty means very much low rainfall. Now, next point. Now, altitude. What is the effect? How does altitude affect the climate of India? Now, let us know this. Places located on higher elevations from the sea level, such as the ones located in northern mountains, remain cool throughout the year. So, the places which are located on the higher elevation from the sea level, it is suppose sea level, and places located at the it is mountain. Places located here will be colder than who are located here. Okay. So let me give one example. Example is Prayagraj. Prayagraj is located in higher elevation than sea level, so it is colder. Now, in normal lapse for every 1000 meter rate, for every 1000 meter ascent, there is a drop of 6 degrees centigrade in temperature. So, what is normal lapse rate? As you go upwards, for every 1000 meter, there is a decrease of 6 degree temperature. It is very much important to know. And it is also eligible for this point, because as you are going upwards the sea level, then it is becoming colder for every 1000 meters. So it is saying places located on higher elevation from the sea level, such as the ones located in the northern mountain, remain cold throughout the year. So this point is very much important. Now we'll read about the jet streams. Jet streams plays an important role in the mechanisms of the monsoon. It is a swift blowing wind that is prevalent at a height of 3 to 5 km above the subtropical high pressure belt. So what is jet streams? What do you mean by jet streams? Jet streams are the wind that blows 3 to 5 km above the subtropical high pressure belt, and it is a swift blowing wind. Now, the westerly jet draws temperate cyclones or western disturbance into northwest India. So, the westerly jet, there are two types of jet streams, westerly jet and easterly jet. The westerly jet draws temperate cyclone or western disturbance into the northwest India. What do you mean by western disturbance? Western disturbance is a type of wind that prevails over the North India. Now, the easterly jet is responsible for bringing tropical depressions over India. What is the help of easterly jets? Easterly jet brings tropical depression over India, and this westerly jets bring western disturbance over North India, such as Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, and western Uttar Pradesh. Now, we'll read at last about the El Nino effect. What is El Nino effect? For the El Nino effect, first we have to know what is El Nino. El Nino is the warm current that appears on the coast of Peru in South America in December. So what is El Nino? It is the type of warm current that appears on the south of coast of Peru in South America in December. The El Nino condition coincide with a period of weak monsoon and higher temperatures in India. This results in a deficient rainfall that increases the drought. What is the effect of El Nino in Indian climate? It is a warm current in Peru at South America. So when it is coming from South America towards India, then it is bringing and temperature, a hot temperature in India. It is a period of weak monsoon. This results in a deep rainfall that increases the drought, which this El Nino increases the drought on India. These factors of the Indian that affects the Indian climate have been completed. We have read about all the factors. Now we'll read about the features of the Indian climate. What are the features of the Indian climate? Here I have written only the point, not discussed the point. But yeah, as in your ICSE track model book, it is discussed. So once read that, that is very much important. Let us start what are the features of Indian climate. First of all, diversity in climatic condition. What do you mean by diversity in climatic condition? Diversity in climatic condition means owing to its vast size and varied topography, means of India's vast size and varied topography, the Indian subcontinent has varied climate condition. It has many climate. So what are the climate that India has? It has mainly four types of climate: equatorial, tropical, semi-arid, or Arctic climate. So what are the four types of climate that India has? It is also very much important. You should learn this. Equatorial, tropical, semi-arid, and Arctic. These are the four types of climate that India has. And this Arctic climate is also known as temperate climate. Now, next point, tropical monsoon type of climate due to dominance of the monsoon mechanism. What do you mean by this? Tropical monsoon type of climate due to dominance of the monsoon mechanism. So, though the continent of Asia has varied climatic condition, the general climate of India is tropical monsoon type. As I have said before, as India have many climate, but the general climate is tropical monsoon type. Two basic monsoon winds control the climate of India. So, it is very much important to know that why it is known as tropical monsoon climate of India. So there are mainly two winds that varies the climate of India. So what are the two winds? Southwest monsoon wind and northeast monsoon wind. The southwest monsoon wind blows during the summer and the northeast monsoon wind blows during the winter. So that's why we say that it is mainly two types of monsoon. It is tropical monsoon type of climate in India. Now, development of tropical depressions or cyclones over the Bay of Bengal. What do you mean by development of the tropical depressions or cyclones over the Bay of Bengal? Towards the end of the monsoon season, cyclones may be originating over the Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea that bring heavy rains and storms along the Andhra Pradesh. So, when the monsoon gets ended, a heavy rainfall takes place in Bay of Bengal and origin Andaman Sea, which causes forming a cyclone, which brings heavy rainfall all over the India. Now, occurrence of winter rainfall in specific parts of the country. Another feature of the Indian climate is the occurrence of winter rainfall in north, western India due to westerly depressions or the temperate cyclones originating in the regions of the Mediterranean Sea. The Coromandel coast also receives slight shower during winter from the northwest monsoon winds. And last but not the least, the last features of Indian climate is presence of four distinct seasons in India. So what are the four main seasons that are present? That is cold season, hot season, monsoon season and the retreating monsoon season. We will be reading about all of these, but in the next part. So what is the duration of cold season? It is from mainly December to February. It is known as cold season. So from December to February, it is cold season. Now hot season. What is the duration of hot season? The duration of hot season is from March to May. So please note down it. It is from March to May. Now monsoon season. What is the duration of monsoon season? It is June to September. What is it? June to September. Now what is the time period of retreating monsoon season? It is October and November. Only 2 months retreating monsoon, that is October and November. We will discuss about this fourth season briefly on the next video. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the notification, and don't forget to click the bell icon. So I am going to over the session right now. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.